Okay, this is my first blue sport experience. First time I skate here in Shanghai Skate Park here in Taiwan. And you can see that there is the Taipei 101, which used to be the tallest building. It has 110 stories, 101 stories. Used to be, but now I think there's one taller in Dubai or somewhere else. But it doesn't matter. So we're going to be using blue sport right here, and we're taking off. I don't even know if it's legal here, but you know, we'll just skate until we get busted. Here we go. Actually, let's make sure that we hold on to this.